YouTube is a great platform for making money. Millions of people make money from YouTube, and it can be used as a source of income for anyone who has the right amount of content. Okay guys, today I will tell you about a successful YouTuber who is making $2 million per year just from YouTubing. If you are a new YouTuber or think about starting a new YouTube channel, watch this full video until the end. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video. So let's start. He started a YouTube channel in December 2016. These guys share their thoughts on saving money, about credit cards, and other fascinating personal finance topics. But he doesn't know what he's doing. He doesn't know how to film and edit videos, but he never gives up his hard work. He tried his best to keep uploading videos. After his YouTube channel monetization was successful in 2017, he just made money 7 cents on January 20th. But it doesn't end there. After that, he continued to upload 3 videos a week. 1 month later, he started earning $1 per day on his YouTube channel. At the same time, he works full-time as a real estate agent and earns $500,000 a year. In March 2017, he made money an average of $12 to $20 per day from his YouTube channel. At the end of the month, his one video is recommended by YouTube algorithm and gets more views. He starts making money $120 to $170 per day from YouTube ad revenue. For the entire year of 2017, he earned $26,966.69 from YouTube channel. That means he makes money around $2,247 per month from YouTube as passive income. In January 2018, his YouTube channel grew smoothly and made $100 minus $150 per day. In April of 2018, things began picking up a lot of his videos by the YouTube algorithm, and his channel started getting more views and attracting more viewers and getting more subscribers. Everything started growing quickly. At this point, his YouTube channel makes about $200 to $350 per day in ad revenue. In November 2018, one of his credit card unboxing review videos went viral. On November 15th, he made his highest ad revenue just $3,420 one day. After that, his YouTube channel made $1,000 to $1,600 per day for the entire year 2018. If you are watching my video now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button. In 2018, he made money $170,945 from YouTube. On average, he makes around $14,245 per month from YouTube as passive income. If you want to make money with YouTube like this, you should start your YouTube channel right now. Remember, after hard work, you can get sweet results. In the beginning of 2019, most of the day he makes money averaging $1,500 in ad revenue from YouTube channel. One of his YouTube channel videos went viral in March 2019, and he makes money an average of $3,000 to $6,000 per day in an entire year. At the end of 2019, he made $1,141,231 from his main YouTube channel. And another good news is, his second YouTube channel, which he made in January 2019. At the end of 2019, he made $170,428 from this channel. So his total earning from YouTube ad revenue $1,141,231 and $170,428, so total is $1,311,660. And he is earning from other sources also, like program sales $500,338, sponsorships $50,000, affiliate marketing $40,000. So his total making money from other sources is $590,338 in 2019. So his YouTube earnings plus another source earnings are total $1,901,998 in 2019. Then his average monthly income in 2019 from YouTube and other sources is $158,499. In the beginning of 2020, most days averaged he make money about $6,000 to $10,000 in ad revenue from his main YouTube channel. At the end of 2020, he made $2,082,858 from his main YouTube channel, and his second YouTube channel made $415,046. The total he earns from just YouTube ad revenue are $2,497,904, and he is earning from another source like program sales $1 million, sponsorships $1 million, affiliate marketing $200,000. So his total make money from other sources are $2,200,000 in 2020. So his YouTube earnings and another source earning are total $4,697,904 in 2020. Then his average monthly income in 2020 from YouTube and other sources are $391,492. Can you believe this? He just makes money $391,492 per month. This is hilarious. In this year 2021, he will get views around 300K to 500K per day. Most of the days he made money, averaging about $7,000 to $11,000 per day in ad revenue from his main YouTube channel. In the last 28 days, his main YouTube channel made $200,351.15. And his second YouTube channel in the last 28 days made $45,433.30. Okay, now talk about his main YouTube channel. His YouTube channel name is Graham Stephan. His YouTube channel got around 3.5 million subscribers. As of early November, Stephan had already earned $1.50 million in ad revenue from his first and second YouTube channel in 2021. I wrote down his channel link in my description. Go visit his channel and don't forget to subscribe to the Graham Stephan channel. If you love this video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.